Some people are coming for me. Tell them to
okay,
wait.
brother, I'll tell it.
Bro,
Tell me what?
my brother is God.
Yes. Yesterday your daddy, now your brother, ah?
Brother,
You
I need
liar.
5,000.
For what purpose?
We friends going for trip.
For the tour. Okay, take it.
My brother is not God.
You changed as soon as I got the money.
Brother, you're my great God.
Take care, sister. Asharani, you keep this.
Why, brother?
You never ask me anything, right? So keep it.
Yay, Elerani. She left without eating today also.
Hello, madam.
Welcome, Mandramurthy. Welcome. Welcome, Mandramurthy. Welcome.
You are telling welcome, but not letting me inside your house.
What is the matter, sir?
In search of bride for your elder daughter, brother asked me to come here.
Sir has gone to Bombay.
To Bombay?
Yeah.
There is no chance for that. Without informing to me, he won't go out. How can he go? When can he go? It's very
Mandramurthy,
confused.
has he got married to me or is he got married to you to tell you everywhere when he goes?
No.
What? No, you're saying.
No, he said clearly.
What?
Mr. Mandramurthy,
Hmm?
exactly you come for tiffin time. We'll finish it off meeting with tiffin.
Oh, now the problem isn't about sir going to Bombay. It is about the breakfast. Take it. Eat it and go. Or eat while going. Mandramurthy, tomorrow while coming, don't forget the plate. Darling, why do you ask him to come again and again? How many times haven't I told you? Our daughter will get married to our brother's son only.
What you're speaking? We both families are not in good terms. Unnecessarily you're dreaming.
Everything will go fine. I believe it.
How is the board?
It's really good, brother.
Our son-in-law arrived.
What's all this, uncle?
This is our office, lawyer's office. Mahesh Gowda, BABL. How is it?
Here, deposit rent and all too much, no, uncle?
Don't you get used to it like that? Land acquisite, land acquiring. How you have done the exams?
I have done that well, uncle.
Did you see? This is to keep for pawn. Let's sell the chain and purchase all the law books. It will be used for reference.
To whom?
For you, man.
Oh, for me, right? Arey, I know all the rules and regulations, uncle. Just waiting for the results.
Spit it away, man. Don't spit on my face. What do you say, guys? Come, let's have tea.
Come, take a seat, brother.
Hey, take that stone.
Take it, brother.
Which one is bigger?
This one, this. Hey, why are you throwing stones, man?
I called you, man. Tea guy. What you're licking? Put tea.
How much?
Give me another.
Take it, brother.
See what I'll do now. Son-in-law. Where all you searched for your heroine? Look at there.
Oh, this is their parking lot, is it?
Hi.
Hi, bus will be a little late. Oh, what do we do now?
Then we'll drink tea. You go and order, yeah. I don't talk to
Bro,
him.
5 teas.
Light or strong?
Strong means how? You'll put all jelly and cement, huh?
Hey!
Hey,
Huh? Uncle, they're acting too much. Come, let's go and ask.
leave it, man. Youth will be like that only.
What do you mean? We are old, is it? She's the one I'm going to get married to. If she's not giving you any respect, will you have any face tomorrow in front of seniors?
Have you done exam
I
properly,
swear
right?
on you, I've done it well.
Then fix it sooner.
Hey, you come here.
Brother?
Look there. The one who's wearing the blue chudidar.
Yes, brother.
You have to.
Go and tell her that brother called you.
Huh?
Tell her brother called and bring her here.
And there is no work for you, no? Hello? That
Yes.
brother is calling you.
Brother, who?
Yeah, smartly one brother is sitting in the bike. No, he only asked me to call you. Come, you don't want to have fear. You just have this tea after sometimes. Come, brother is waiting for
Hey,
you.
she's coming, man. Speak to her nicely and make her yours.
Bro? Yes, bro. You only, bro. Did you call me, bro? This bro told me, no. Hey, tell me, why you called me, bro?
Nothing so important. Just like that, I called you.
Bro, I know. You won't call me simply. There is something. Tell me, bro.
Really, there is nothing. Please go.
Usharani, bus is come.
What's
Hey,
the
you.
problem? Yeah, I'm talking to brother. No.
What is this,
I'm
uncle?
talking
She's calling me brother. What is this?
Tell me, bro. Why did you call me, bro?
Go, dear. Go and study really well. That's why I called you.
That's what I thought. I know you won't call me simply. Bro, I study nicely and get good name for you.
Go, dear. Go and study well and keep up your own name. Go.
Brother, tea bill.
It's been paid. You please leave.
Oh, thanks, Chubby bro.
She's calling me fatty, man.
Brother,
What, yeah?
Brother, you are angry now. I'll come in the evening. We'll have tea and snacks, okay?
Ayo, uncle, I can't bear this,
Bye,
uncle.
brother. Bye, Chubby bro.
Let's kill her now only.
Surely we should kill her, brother.
First, I should kill you, man.
You won't fit for this advocate job.
Yeah. Hey, who was that who called you?
Oh, you don't know him, huh? He's in Flex Party. Who kindled Bahubali and Prabhas? That group only. They simply sit and make fun of everyone. They tried to rat me also. If I still see him in the evening, I'll show him hell. I won't leave him. Okay, right.
Let's go.
She called me brother so many times, uncle.
don't
What
bother
is this?
Sunila.
What I can do?
Bye, bro.
I'm planning to get married to her. She's calling me brother every time. You
Did you
gone
drop the
blind
tea
or what?
on him?
Hey, get
How
me some
dare
water.
you?
Stop the vehicle.
After spilling,
Hey,
you're
dude.
arguing.
Dude,
Come here. Tell me,
Come
sir.
here.
where are the coconut trees of Govindraj Maurya?
My father only. Tell me what you want.
Nothing, I just want to see him. Hello. My name is Karnakar. I think you know me very well. What work I do?
Even parents could have not fed their children, but a farmer. He even gives food to a beggar too. Farming is so divine. Why do you want to destroy it? In the anger I had on you, I forgot to even ask you to sit down.
I am not came here to sit here. I want to tell you something. To stop all my undertaking works, you are given the complaint against me. You are protesting through the post office. They are protesting even they don't have food. Tell them to stop all that and come and work with me. At least I will give food.
Hey, to whom you are talking like this?
Hey,
Shut up, man.
Be quiet. Be quiet. Brother, the prawn culture you're doing, are you doing it for our town? You're only exporting it, right? Don't those countries have sea or prawns? Somebody wants to pollute our country and you are supporting him, is it right?
What is this, man? Hey, look at here. If I will get the money, I will keep the snakes also. I don't mind whether it bites or spills. Got it? What I want to tell is, mind your own business.
What's your issue?
Hey.
I am not dependent on the farming. Tell your son to mind his own business.
Hey.
Wait. We don't have to think about it. I have decided.
Okay, brother.
Raja,
Ah,
talk to our lawyer. We need a stay
I'll
on.
do it, brother. Arrive, come, let's see.
There's only one way. For that, you need board award.
We should not miss any case by putting wrong roots, man.
Yeah, right.
Put it properly.
You guys are still here?
Put it rightly.
Arey, uncle, look at her. She want to play with her life. Come, let's run.
Office is a safest place.
No.
man.
Let's
Come,
not go there.
Come.
Run. If anybody comes and asks, tell us we are out of station. Okay?
Okay, brother.
Tell we have gone to meet Prime Minister Manmohan
Ajay,
Singh.
come
Why
on,
you
come
doing
on,
like this, man?
She will come, uncle. Come fast.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Where is my brother, yeah?
Brother has gone to Chandapur.
Oh,
Chandapura?
when he'll be back?
Why are you people asking that?
Huh? I saw one rowdy in college, yeah. When I see that guy, he was like, same your brother.
I'll teach her a
Control
lesson.
it, man.
You have seen a rowdy over there. In that place, how can you remember my
I
brother?
want to take your brother to him and then smash him like
I
anything.
What
think
is she
she'll
telling,
give the
uncle?
boys on TV.
Okay, give your brother
My
number.
brother is busy over there.
Huh? Give, yeah.
He won't pick unknown number, sister.
Oh,
Thank
that
God,
much
he's
busy,
managing it.
yes?
Give no kulfi ice?
You are telling me Gulfi Ice?
Hey, give, yeah, kulfi ice.
Hey, what Gulfi Ice?
Hey!
Hey!
Yay!
Hey!
Hey!
Huh?
Hey, what you are looking at? That's my echo. Look at me and talk.
You are a small kid. Be like a small kid. Give his number.
What if
I
he
don't
gives
know,
the number,
man, what
uncle?
to do. You only tell.
Tell ya.
98 7777.
What to do, uncle?
7777.
Again 7777.
How many times, yeah?
Where have you kept the phone, man? Search it faster.
I don't know where my phone is, uncle.
Where is it? Where is it?
Where did I keep it?
Masu.
Oh.
What? I'm calling to him, but why phone is ringing here?
She took my phone, uncle.
It's okay. It's
Sir,
okay.
give me the
Left
phone.
his phone here. How did he went to other place, yeah? Tell me.
I will only answer, uncle.
Why you getting up, man? Sit.
First, I have to beat the chubby bro.
Whom are you
No,
calling
no,
a
no, uncle.
fatty?
No, uncle. Go, don't go.
After your brother came here, tell him to collect his phone from me, okay?
Sister, phone, sister.
Again, I am telling you, you are a kid. Be like kid only.
Son-in-law.
Hey.
Hey, come here, man. Why did you give his number, man? You would have given some other number,
I
no?
can't lie.
What? You don't know to
So
lie here.
honesty
You could
is-
have told this before joining to this job, no?
Take. Call my phone number and ask her to bring my phone immediately.
Dial faster.
Hello, it's me. Brother has called me. He
Huh?
said that bring
What
back
is
his
he
phone
telling?
immediately to the
Hey,
office.
what did you
Okay,
say?
brother?
Why are you telling this? What did you tell? Why did you tell this, man? Why did you tell? Why did you tell?
Then if I said Madi means
Oh,
okay.
I
Look at
myself
him.
won't call you like that. Pull the shutter
Huh?
down.
First pay back the salary and then beat yaar.
Can you jump?
How much I have done for you? Don't you people have honesty? Help me, girls.
Okay, wait, yeah. Okay, wait. First, you open the gallery. Open this. Open this. Wait, yeah. Check.
Hey, wait, yeah.
Hey, wait. Hey, check this out. Hey, 1 minute. Wait, I want to see. How? See this?
Yes, 750 balance, yeah.
Oh, is it?
Hey,
Come,
there's
let's
a
spend
hidden
all
folder,
this.
yeah. It's asking for password, yeah.
What will unmarried people have? Something like 00? Just check out.
You ask me. You
Sister
shouldn't.
Asha Rani,
Brother,
where is Usha Rani?
she is upstairs with her friends. Brother just came and went.
Usha? Hey, Usha Rani! Usha Rani! Is it she listening or not? Huh?
Hey, see this folder.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Oh, tell me
Where is my checkbook I have given to you yesterday?
Down, shit. Oh, wait, I'll be back.
Even I'm coming. Wait. Hey, wait. Even I'm coming. Just a moment.
Hey, come on,
Hey,
let's
come
run
on,
fast.
fast.
Save the phone, save the phone, save
Oh
the
my
phone.
God, the phone is falling down.
No, Sheila. No,
Please stop it.
Oh, God. Oh, my God.
What do we do now?
Oh, my God. My parents are very strict. They'll be searching for me. I'll go.
Huh? You think my parents will let me go?
Yeah,
Even I have
come,
to go.
let's
Come, let's go.
stop.
Come,
Let's have a look at the phone.
Bye, dear. You please fix the phone.
God, he'll kill me.
What time she'll come, man?
It's about time she might come now.
I should collect my phone first. Hey, why is he bringing Lord Ganesha?
Oh my god. Can't really tolerate these atrocities now. Why is he carrying Lord
Hey,
Ganesha
come here,
now?
guys.
Take it from
Take
him, take
this.
it from him, take it from him.
What is this, uncle?
Carefully,
Bahubali 2, is it?
Hi, dear.
Namaste.
Bahubali 20 has become now.
What happened, uncle?
Listen to the story.
Tell me.
As every time your aunt has gone to the temple to worship the
Okay.
god, that priest has told her to stand in the
Oh.
queue. Do you think aunt has gone to buy Aadhar to stand in the queue?
No.
She's told she needs to go sooner, that's it. He has told her to go to other temple if she has urgency.
Oh, that's
Let
bad.
me ask you something. If there is a movie release of Shivraj
Uh-huh.
Kumar, if not this theatre, to watch in other
Uncle.
theatre? She's come back with sad face. You only know, right? If her hand pains only, I'll make a mess out of it. If she cries,
You must be angry.
I got angered like murdering him.
That's really
Straight
bad.
away I went to the temple.
Huh.
I fixed my hands with priest hand.
Huh.
One small twist, that's
Huh.
it.
Then?
When I see the plate which was on priest hand has gone inside.
Oh my
After
God.
asking, he's saying it is fractured.
Huh.
After getting the conscious, he's telling, you take the Ganesha in front.
Huh.
Behind, I'll bring the vibhutis.
Uh-huh.
But when we saw he was shaking, I think he has come to know our matter.
What matter?
That you have written the exams properly.
Oh, is it?
What is it?
Oh, is it?
Yes, it is.
Huh.
Listen,
Yeah,
keep that vibhuti inside.
Uncle, 1 minute.
What is it, man?
Hey, let's go.
Hey, stop,
Hey,
stop,
hold
stop,
her, hold
stop.
her.
Where are
Hey,
you running
stand
to?
here.
Why are you running,
Why
huh?
was you running?
You can ask them also.
They ran
no?
away, right?
Hey, where's your friend?
Oh, I didn't see her since yesterday evening after
What,
6.
did you go for a drink?
No.
Don't tell us all these stories. Next minute she should be here and also my phone.
Even you need to come along.
Huh. If she doesn't come, you can't go from here.
Come, let's hide
do.
her inside.
Hey, go and bring the bottle, man.
Brother.
She broke your phone and what did I do?
Ah?
What?
What did you
Phone
say?
got
She broke
broken,
the
huh?
phone, is it?
No.
Son-in-law.
No. She didn't break it. It broke on its own.
How will it break itself, yeah?
Is that automatic
Hey,
phone?
break the bottle and nab her, man.
Yes.
No. Just a minute.
Where
I'll
are
tell
you looking? She finished?
Totally, phone is gone. Where the hell is she?
She's scared to face you and she's at home, sir. She asked me to tell that she has fever.
Fever, is it?
Yes, sir. Please don't tell her that I told you about this.
Okay. That's what I'm telling you.
Okay.
Whatever you have told me, ensure that you don't
Yes,
tell
yes,
her.
sure,
If
sure.
she has temperature, let her have it. And now
Okay,
wait and
alright.
watch how we will play the game.
Power play, man.
Oh my god!
Uncle, look at her. She's running. Come soon.
Grandma, if someone asks me, you tell
No
them
one
that
is
you don't
asking,
know.
no, how can I
kill
tell?
you, old lady.
Hey, Goya.
Come.
Stupid girl
Let's search
she
for
is.
her. Let's search.
Oh,
Tell
hi.
her.
Please
We have come back. We have come now.
Who is he?
Brother.
He's my friend's brother, Grandma.
What happened?
Why did fever?
I asked about the phone.
Oh, you want fan? Huh? Wait, I'll switch
You
on.
switch on the light first.
You remove the goggles first.
Can I get you coffee?
Juice.
We have not come for that.
Oh, you want tea? Ah.
You don't know why we have come here?
Oh, then I think you want milk.
Not used to it.
Oh, your parents raised you good. Huh?
But in your house, they haven't taught you well.
Right point.
I can't manage after this, please. Please try to understand. Please go, yeah. Please go outside. If my brother comes, means he'll kill me. Return your phone tomorrow. You're smiling, huh? That means he'll go, no?
Look at her.
Your smile is so good. Please go now, na?
Yeah, we'll go.
How are you going to live with her?
Yay! Why you people are coming back?
Tomorrow you will surely come, right?
Definitely, I will come.
What if you don't
na.
come?
If she won't come means I will send you message. After 8 o'clock you'll be online, no?
After 8 o'clock, I'll be in wine shop. Those who should be in emergency ward are in WhatsApp now.
They went off.